Hello everybody, it's time to take a look at some new vintage items for the upcoming 2025 Christmas decorating season. I've got some bell clusters, but as you notice they are quite a bit smaller than the ones I put out on the front porch. What the heck am I going to do with these? Well, stay tuned and you'll eventually find out. So I'm going to test them out. Look like some have twinkle bulbs and some do not. I want them to all twinkle. So I've got some appropriate vintage twinkle lamps. We'll get those going. And the second one looks like it's got one twinkle lamp as well. I'm going to go ahead and plug them in and see how they perform. Be using full 120 volts. And all the lamps illuminate. Let's see if we get any twinkle action. We'll come back when and if they do that. I've got one going so far. That's not going to cut it. This middle one here looks like it should have a twinkle lamp, but it may be one of those that doesn't work. So let's wait a minute. That's a good twinkle lamp. Okay, we got two in this one. Oh yeah. Got some of the good loud ones that I like. So it looks like I will need three. Looks like these are a bit more vintage than these. So of course I'm going to use those. So I need to replace this one. Almost need one of my younger cousins out here to do this because my hands are just too big. They got smaller hands and can unscrew those lamps a little easier. That looks more like a indicator lamp to me. There's a look at the vintage twinkler. So that appears to be period correct to this style of lighting. Let's see if that's in there. Yep, that one works. To go left-handed with this one. And again, it's that same kind of lamp. It's a Future Lumens 120 volt 60 hertz 7 watts China. Test it again. Okay, we're in. And I think it's going to be this one here. Alright, what do we got here? Got one of these late 70s, early 80s with the flat tip on them. That Noma style. Also sold under the Kmart brand. And maybe a few others. Here goes nothing. We'll see how these react. Got one already trying to go. And I'll come back when these remaining 2 lamps decide to start twinkling. After a little while, everybody decided to play nice and everything's twinkling, I think. Yep, there it goes. Looking pretty good. So once again, my vintage miniature twinkling bells, which are still C7, got a spot for them. That will be shown in the decorating reveal towards, probably the closer to Christmas time in December. So once again, thank you for watching.